Okay guys, backyard scrapping here, and it is time to do our 400 sub giveaway. I am so sorry that I was busy all week. I saw that I went over 400. I just haven't had an opportunity to sit down and do this until today. So we are actually, because it is our 400th sub giveaway, we're going to do 4 places this time. We're going to be doing some Copper Series sets. First place is going to be the Civil War 150th Anniversary Civil War set, which has the Monitor versus the Virginia, it has the Siege of Vicksburg, the H.L. Hunley, which is actually cool. I don't know if any of you ever got to see that movie, but I think Amanda Santi played in it. It was really a cool movie. It showed the actual building and testing and using of the Hunley back in the Civil War. It has the General, which was a Civil War steam engine. It has the Battle of Gettysburg. It has the Battle of Shiloh, and then it has the Battle of Antietam. So that is going to be our first place prize. They're all in airtights. Our second place prize is going to be from Provident Metals, and it's actually the first 3 of the Prospector series. So it has the Prospector, has the Gunslinger, and it has the Pony Express. So these are from Provident Metals, and that's a really cool series. I think that's really neat. I'm going to follow that one to the end. And then our third prize giveaway is going to be historic ships, which is the Titanic, naturally, and the USS Constitution, and again the Civil War Hunley. And for 4th place, like I said earlier, because it's our 400 giveaway, I want to do a 4th place. So our 4th place is going to get a Copper 999 Panda and a Dragon. Okay guys, again, I'm sorry that I was late getting this posted. Like I said, I had a hectic week. The official giveaway rules, there will be a link to them in a PDF format in the description area. If you want to click on it, it should open right up in your browser or your window. You can also download it if you want to read it later. And everything, this drawing is going to start today at 5 p.m. Which is March 11th, 2019. It will end on Saturday, March 16th at 11:59 p.m. So that will be when the last entry can go in. And then Sunday, the next day, I will probably go through and go ahead and make a drawing video, and we'll see who gets our prizes. So to review, first place is this Civil War collection. I do believe there's also another one out for this now. I think it's called, I think it's Robert E. Lee. I don't know what the name of it is, but I believe he's on horseback. But I think there's a new one for this. I don't think there's a new Provident Prospector Series coin out yet. And again, these and this. So this is our prizes, guys. I hope you like them. Again, I'm sorry for not getting them out sooner. Sorry for taking up your time. I know my videos, I run my mouth and stuff gets drug out. But anyway, good luck to everybody. And we will see you in the next video.